Welcome to our culinary podcast. Today, we're diving into the delicious world of vegetarian Indian samosas. These crispy pastries are filled with a flavorful mix of spiced potatoes, peas, and fresh herbs, making them a perfect snack or appetizer. Let's get started. Ingredients needed: spring roll wrappers, 3 pre-cooked potatoes, 1 carrot peas, thawed, fresh coriander, 1 onion, a piece of ginger, about 3 seminas, 3 cloves of garlic, ground cumin curry powder, ground turmeric peanut oil, salt and pepper flour and water for the binder. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. First, boil the potatoes in advance. While they're cooking, cut the carrot into small cubes, finely chop the onion, and mince the garlic and ginger. This prep work is essential for a well-balanced filling. Step 2. Prepare the filling next. Heat a drizzle of peanut oil in a pan. Sauté the garlic, ginger, and onion for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Add the carrots and cook for another 3 minutes over medium heat. Now it's time to spice things up. Incorporate 1 teaspoon each of cumin, turmeric, and curry powder. Season with salt and pepper and let it cook for 30 seconds. Finally, add the potatoes, mixing well, and finish with the coriander and peas. Allow the filling to cool completely. Step 3. Fold the samosas. Prepare the binder by mixing flour and water. Cut the spring roll wrappers in half. Place a tablespoon of filling on the left edge of each wrapper. Fold it into a triangle, following the edge, and apply the binder on the last flap to seal the samosa tightly. Step 4. Cooking heat peanut oil over medium heat in a frying pan. Fry the samosas for about 5 minutes until they're golden brown, turning them regularly for even cooking. Once done, drain them on paper towels to remove excess oil tips. Ensure the filling is completely cooled before folding to prevent tearing. You can substitute beaten egg for the flour-water mixture as a binder. For easier cooking, consider using a deep fryer. Keep an eye on the oil temperature to avoid sticking. And there you have it. You're now ready to enjoy your homemade vegetarian Indian samosas. They're perfect for sharing with family and friends, or enjoying as a tasty snack. Happy cooking, and see you next time for more culinary adventures.